I'm challenging jurisdiction.
You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none. And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
I got your paperwork ready.
Now, I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court.
This guy is in court because he wants to challenge the court's jurisdiction. And trust me, it's as ridiculous as it sounds. Judge Perkins handles the situation like a pro, but it quickly turns into a comedy show. This guy is clearly just reading from some script he found online, and it's obvious he has no clue what he's talking about. Honestly, I doubt he even knows what jurisdiction actually means. Spoiler alert, the court has authority whether he agrees or not. But instead of understanding that, he's fully committed to putting on a show and embarrassing himself in the process. Let me know in the comments what you think this guy's IQ is. Let's get into it and watch Judge Perkins absolutely toy with this clown.
You're your own attorney. You're an attorney registered by the state of Michigan.
Licensed to practice law, and you've been practicing law over the bench.
You say I have been?
Would you like to litigate against me?
I'm not litigating anything against you.
Okay, you have been practicing law across the bench since we started this. And I'm challenging jurisdiction today.
Okay. What do you want to do, Mr. Hicks? You want a trial date or you want the offer in the back?
I'm challenging jurisdiction.
Okay, put it in a motion.
I don't have to put it in the motion. I don't have to put it in the motion.
If I say you do, you do.
No, you don't have the right to do that. You don't have a Congress number. You don't have delegated authority to do that.
Okay. All right. Well,
I'm challenging
jurisdiction. Trial date. I'm denying. What is your motion? You're challenging my jurisdiction?
I'm challenging everybody's jurisdiction because you have none.
Okay, so
honor your oath of office, please. Honor your oath of office, okay?
Are we going to sit here and debate those positions?
It's not a debate. It's my constitutional right. It's my constitutional right.
You think so? Okay,
I know so. Are you violating my constitutional rights on how you deem them to be?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I don't believe so.
And then please don't have me file for Title 18, 242.
Please do.
Okay, I have a transcript from all the other times I talked with you because you've been practicing across the bench for the longest.
Okay, so what are you going to do today, Mr. Hicks?
Challenge jurisdiction.
And how are you challenging that?
Because you have no jurisdiction. You have the burden of proof is on whoever assessed the jurisdiction.
He really thinks that just by saying the court doesn't have jurisdiction, the judge is going to go, "Oh wow, my bad, case dismissed." Like, bro, that's not how any of this works. Sovereign citizens act like the law is some kind of optional subscription service, like they can just hit cancel because they don't agree with it. News flash, you don't get to opt out of reality. If you don't want to follow the laws, maybe it's time to go find another country to live in, because this nonsense is getting completely out of control. Let me know what you guys think. What should we do with these sovereign citizens? Should we update the laws? Or just ship them off to some deserted island and let them govern themselves? Because honestly, something's gotta give.
Who's the assessor of jurisdiction?
I am, in this case.
Okay.
And I deny that motion.
Why you deny the motion? Because you don't have
so Mr. Hicks, you're a grown man. Let's have a few seconds. Wait a minute. Let's have a few second conversation, okay? Now let's get this straight. I'm running this show, okay? So if I'm gonna allow you to talk and say what you have to say, you're talking about challenging jurisdiction right now. That's what the discussion is. I say I have jurisdiction. The court rules say I have jurisdiction. The Constitution of the state of Michigan say I have jurisdiction. So I'm denying. No, don't talk while I'm talking. I'm denying your motion as far as you contesting my jurisdiction. Okay? So take your hood off, please. So other than that, what else do you want? How do you want to proceed now moving forward?
I motion to dismiss.
I'm denying that motion. Okay, let me ask you this. What basis are you denying the motion to dismiss?
Because no crime, a bill of attainder, no injured party. I told you all of this at the beginning, and you denied everything. You practice over the bench.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you two options.
As a matter of fact, hold on. Give me a minute. You even went through a 10 and 3 because you started threatening me. You remember that?
No, you were the one. Wait a minute. You were the one, Mr. Hicks, that said, "Oh, you can say all that while you're on the bench." That's what the court rules are. You got to follow.
No, it's not. Then show me those rules. Let me see those rules. Send those rules to me.
I don't have to show you anything here. That's all public information.
You're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Mr. Hicks.
Let's
not go there, all right? Did you say that last time?
Do you have the transcripts? Yeah, I said it. Yes, I did.
Yeah.
Yes, I did.
I thought about that.
I don't even have a
I
license
thought
to
about that.
law.
Listen, this whole
have license to practice law. Come on, the jig is up. The jig is up.
These sovereign citizens seriously think saying I don't consent is some kind of legal cheat code. Like, bro, this isn't Hogwarts. You're not casting spells on the judge. Courts have ruled time and time again. Just saying they don't have jurisdiction doesn't magically make it true. And yet, these guys keep trying like eventually, it's going to unlock some secret ending. It's like watching someone enter the wrong password 100 times and thinking, okay, this next one's it. At this point, I'm convinced these people might be a different species. Also, can we talk about how they are always from Michigan? Seriously, if you're watching from Michigan, let me know. Is there some kind of sovereign citizen headquarters over there? Is this a local club? What's going on? Anyway, let's jump back in and see how deep this rabbit hole goes.
All right. So now the jig is up with you. So I'm not letting you say any more about this. I'm denying your motions. Now, I'm going to give you two options. The first option is you can either take the deal that's in the file, or we can. Okay. Don't talk while I'm talking.
I tell you what.
Don't talk while I'm talking.
A few minutes. I got your paperwork ready. I got your paperwork ready. You really want to
talk?
You really want to do this?
All right. Now I'm going to give you one more time to interrupt me. If you interrupt me again, I'm going to hold you in contempt of court. Okay. All right. So the other option is we set a jury trial, and we'll set the jury trial. I'll give you motion dates where you can have the dates and you can put all of your stuff in writing that you want before the court. And I'll make a date on that date. I'll make a date when I'll rule on those motions. So do you want the offer or do you want the jury trial date and the motions dates?
I thought that the trial was up to me, whether I have a bench trial or a jury trial. It's not up to you.
No, it's not up to you. I'm giving you. Everybody has a right to a jury trial.
Absolutely.
And I'm going to allow you to exercise that jury trial right. I'm not going to sit here and entertain a bench trial for you. Let a jury of your peers determine your innocence or guilt.
Why would I do that?
How?
I have the right to either or. You're not the one.
No, you don't have a right to. No, you don't have a right to either or.
Yes, I do. Of course, I do.
All right. I'm moving on.
All right, on.
You didn't answer my question, so I'm moving on, and I'm going to put you out. or at least mute yourself. All right, let's do this and let's go back on the record one more time with Mr. Hicks.
For the record, Your Honor, Dia Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. This is the date and time set for a final pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, I did subpoena my officers to be here today for the final pretrial, and I do not see them here today.
Remove your hat, please. No drinking, please. Treat this like you're in the courthouse. Remove your hat, please, Mr. Hicks. All right. What are we going to do? The officers were supposed to be here today. I'm only dealing with SP 1442547, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 144-27651, and SP 5008721. I'm only dealing with those matters. And the officers are not here. So we're going to make this easy. And now, what I don't appreciate is, you know, I thought about that comment that you made that last time. You know, basically, you're almost like a little lightweight threat that you had toward me, saying that, oh, I'm only doing this. I'm only this way because I'm being protected by the bench. That's absolutely not. I'm the same way 24 hours a day. Okay? So let's get that straight. This robe has nothing to do with me as a man. All right, I'm going to dismiss the cases because no officer appeared.
I would like to collect my costs and fees.
Pardon me?
I would like to collect my costs and fees for having to defend myself.
I don't want to hear anything else you have to say.
Oh, beautiful.
All right, bye.
It honestly hurt to watch this clown ask the judge for court fees and costs. Like, the audacity. The judge literally just let him walk on all the charges, and his first move is to ask when he's getting paid. Bro, who raised you? This dude needs to be locked up just for that level of entitlement. Sovereign citizens are seriously out here thinking they are above the law, twisting the system, making a mockery of the legal process. It's like every rule is just a suggestion to them. And honestly, it's exhausting to watch. But hey, that's why we're here, to call out the nonsense and shine a light on the truth. If you enjoyed this legal train wreck as much as I did, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. I want to hear what you thought about this courtroom circus. Drop your takes in the comments below. I post content every single day, so stay tuned. Seriously, thank you all so much for watching and being part of the channel. It means a lot. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.